today finishing finishing up the trailer. So I just left Tractor Supply. We got some high performance enamel black for paint. That's what I use on my kayak trailer, so that's what I'm gonna use on this one. Pretty durable, I guess. And so I started on it. So went to Tractor Supply. They only had one of the wheels and tires I needed, so I gotta go all the way to Valley in Alabama to get the other one. But just giving y'all a little update. So guys, it is black now. So, alright, so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna run out in the valley and get that other wheel and tire and let this be dry while I'm gone. So, when I get back, it should be good and tacked up, and I'll go ahead and throw the axles up under it and wheels up under it and start working on the lights. I gotta put the runners back on it. So, we're getting there. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get back to Tractor Supply. Paint, pretty dry. Still a little tacky, not too bad. I can deal with it. Still touching everything, not leaving no fingerprints, but it don't matter. It's an old trailer. But came back, threw the axles in, and threw the wheels and tires on. So we're getting there. We are getting there. So now I'm about to start on some lights. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, got the lights mounted. Tab bracket is on there. Both of them's on there. I got the wires ran. All right, the way I did it, this tube is hollow. So what I did is I drilled a hole right here and then took some electrical tape and taped every so inches, probably every 6 inches. Try to keep that straight as I could. And so I drilled a hole here so the wire runs all inside of this, and I made it come out here. This hole had to be a little bit bigger where I can get my plier down in there. So, but after that, pretty simple. Just matching colors and making them run down the trailer. And if the kit comes with these little tabs, I'm gonna give them a try. I ain't never used them before. So, but I got outside done. Haven't wired in light yet. And I still gotta do this side. So I got that, and I got marker lights I gotta put on there. So after that, I mean, pretty much the lights are done. So looking pretty good to me. I think I'm gonna get some tennis balls to go on top of these things right here. It hurt. She fell on that sucker. And then tennis balls are bright green too, so at nighttime when I'm loading up the boat, I can see them tennis balls. usually people put white PVC on these, but this is some kind of flexible plastic hose. But it works out, so I'm just gonna leave them like that. I'm trying to be budget friendly, but I think it's turning out pretty good. Got a little more to go and we'll have her done. Probably gonna end up, this is this is 1 7/8. Probably gonna end up changing that out. Don't nobody use that ball no more. Everybody has 2, and everybody uses a 2. So this is probably gonna get changed out. So, oh yeah, I gotta get a new one of these. Probably, I don't know. This one still works and everything, so I'll probably just hold on to it, just put a new rope on it. And so I gotta drill a hole in this too. This sucker's got water in it. But other than that, it's coming all together. I think it looks pretty daggone good. Wired in the marker lights. I have ran all this wire. Wired it in right there. And the other side. So now I really need to do a test on them, make sure everything's worked. And I gotta hook the ground up to the trailer. So not much left, and this sucker will be done. I gotta put the sliders back on, then be done. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is it. All the lights wired up. Put some tires on. All new paint. Only thing I didn't replace is them. The slides. So I'll replace them at a later time. I mean, they still work good and everything right now, but everything's looking good so far. All right, folks. Well, I am starting on the boat. I got the trailer done. Now it's time to paint the boat. I'm taking just some Scotch-Brite, scuff the whole thing up, and that's the color it's gonna be. I ain't gonna do camouflage or nothing, desert tan. So do the bottom first, and I'm gonna flip it over and do the inside and everything like that. But didn't have enough paint, so I'll probably have to wait and go try to supply tomorrow or somewhere, get some more paint, because I bought everything Walmart had. So, but all right, I'm giving y'all a little update. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, I still gotta paint that motor over there too, black. But it'll be the wait some more, because I gotta pressure wash it, get all the oil and grease and everything off of it and everything. So all right, stay tuned. Maybe the next time you see it, it'll be got a new fresh paint job on it. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I got the eraser wheel out. I got to get all these numbers off and everything. So I was also going to take off the tear off the back. and done. Got it all done. Probably the easiest and fastest way to take out stickers. Instead of soaking them in something or something like that. So, pretty neat. Good old eraser wheel. You get them at, you can pick them up at PPG or bumper to bumper. Or, I don't know. Maybe some hardware, part stores, something like that. But, got that done. I gotta take off the tear off the back and really just finish scuffing it up. I'm just taking regular Scotch-Brite and just scuffing it up real good. Try to hit everything. Put some good scratches in it where the paint will hold. So, I think it's gonna look good after I get done with it. So, I have a pretty much new trailer and a pretty much new boat. Well, other than it's got a few dings here and there, but ain't no holes in it. And I don't know, I might even put something on the side of it. So, alright, stay tuned. Sanded, scuffed up, and I gotta take some lacquer thinner and get the rest of that gooey stuff off from the stickers. But other than that, I got a little spot right here I need to get. Other than that, pretty good. Good old scuffing. Just scratch it up enough where the paint will have something to grab to. So, and then bottom of it looks like it's scratched up pretty good. It should hold. But, all right. Keeping you updated. About to wipe it down, blow it off one more time, and start spraying. And get to it. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm about to wipe her down and get to spraying. Well, I'm just gonna wipe her with a wet rag. Well, not wet, no damp. So, but wipe down the stickers and everything with lacquer. Got that gooey stuff off and about to get the painting. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, well I'm about to get to it. My spray paint. And about to lay it to it. So here we go. I'm gonna play a time lapse for y'all and about to be a different color. Well, guys, it is painted. Painted. That's good. So I'm gonna let that dry overnight. Probably come in the morning and put another coat on it. So, heck yeah. Outside was the easy part. Inside's gonna be a little bit different. So, all right. Day 2 or the 3. It's day 2. Yeah, day 2. But it's going good. It's going good. Maybe by Monday I could start putting the motor and everything on. But all right, well, you know what to do. You know, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, give me some suggestions or ideas, and heck yeah, well, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.